Hello and welcome to Catch TV for the week of January 23rd through 29th. I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Kaylin.
This is a busy week with our favorite holiday, Valentine's.
The dance is tonight in the old gym. It costs $5.
Make sure your outfit is dress code and we'll see you from 5 to 6:30.
Speaking of Valentine's, our candy grams will be delivered tomorrow during 7th hour.
I can't wait to see what I got.
Got a body like an hourglass, ticking like a clock. It's a matter of time before we all run out. When I thought he was mine, she caught him by the...
Okay, guys, we're going to talk about Valentine's Day, the day we all love. Monday, we have our dance. It's for middle school students only at Shakota Middle School. The cost is $5 per person. You can bring money to vote for Mr. and Mrs. Valentine. We will have one for 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade. The votes are $1 a piece. The dance is from 5 until 6:30, so make sure that your rides are here by 6:30 to pick you up. Also, Tuesday, Valentine's Day, if your parents, boyfriend, girlfriend send you something to school, you will not get it until 5 minutes before school is out, because we can't have people carrying around teddy bears, hearts, and all that during the school day. So it might be better if you just wait till after school to get your Valentine. Also, if you ride a bus, you cannot have balloons on the bus. So make sure that you tell your parents, boyfriend and girlfriends about this, because we would hate for you not to get to keep your balloon. Have a great Valentine's Day.
Thanks, Ms. Funberg. Another big event this week is Parent-Teacher Conference.
Thursday night from 4 to 7, your parents can come chat with any of your teachers they want to see.
And since that's such a late night, we have Friday off.
Can't wait to sleep till noon.
Me too. Don't forget to sign up for the talent show. The more acts, the longer we get out of class.
Wink, wink.
Now here's Abby and Danielle with more on sports.
I waited a long month, she finally set him free. I told him I couldn't lie, he was the only one for me. 2 weeks a week, caught on fire. She's got it out.
I'm Amanda, and Danielle couldn't be here today.
And I'm Abby. And we are bringing you all things athletics.
This sports special features our new girls basketball coach, Coach O.
Take it away, Coach.
But I wear the biggest smile.
Fine.
Hey, we're here with Coach O. Coach O, how did the season go for the junior high girls?
6th grade, a pretty solid year. I think we lost like 4 games. And 7th grade did not have a great year, but we learned a lot, got a lot better. And Logan, how do you think 8th grade went? How do you think 8th grade went?
Very bad.
Oh. Lost a lot of games, didn't win a lot, but got a lot better.
Who was your star player on the junior high team?
For which team? All of them?
Yeah.
6th grade, our star is probably Carly Dismukes, but Journey is kind of her sidekick, and they work really well together. And then we got Daisy, really good. Araya, Callie, they're all around pretty good, but Carly's probably our star. 7th grade, Ashley Hurt, of course. 8th grade, it's kind of a confusing group because Logan really controls everything, but they got a lot of good players. Addie's a good player. Rayleigh does a lot. Nakia does a lot. They all really do a lot. Bella does a lot.
Why do you think people should play basketball?
Why do I think people should play basketball? Because it's a team sport. It's all about learning how to play with each other and work together and doing things together.
That's it. Back to you at the desk.
Basketball and wrestling have officially ended, so that means we are switching to new sports.
Baseball, track, and softball are in season now, so sorry to everyone in those new workouts.
We can't wait to see how everyone does.
Back to you at the desk.
Thanks, guys. Now here's Maddie with some of our class of Shakota band members. Maddie?
But I got it where I want it now. Whoa, it was never my intention to brag.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and I'm here with Olivia Strong,
Sheila Waters,
Caitlin Pitts, Lydia Robinson.
Miss Hackler.
So 6th graders, tell us about All-Star Band.
So we leave school at 8 a.m. and we 7? Yeah. And we go and practice band all day with all different bands, and then we perform at 4:30 on March 9 in Town Hall.
And 8th graders, you guys have a concert coming up this weekend. How did you get picked for that?
We practiced hard to audition. We tried out over video and
Congratulations, Ms. Hackler. Is there anything else you want us to know?
band's cool. I don't have anything else to say, and I need a raise.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Thanks, ladies. Back to you at the desk.
That's it for this week. See you next week and
Go Cats.
I'm here with Jay Brower and Bailey Burton, 2 8th graders on the CMS archery team. How was your competition last week?
We did pretty good.
Did you make it to regionals?
Yeah, we did.
Is the archery club still open for anyone who joins?
You can still come to practice, but we already done score sheets.
Is anything else you want us to know?
Not really.
Watch out for these guys, they're great shots. Back to you at the desk.
The sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. Sometimes I feel like everybody is a sexy baby, and I'm a monster on the hill. Too big to hang out, slowly lurching toward your favorite city, pierced through the heart but never killed. Did you hear my covert narcissism, like disguises altruism, like some kind of congressman? I wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch as you're leaving, and life will lose all its meaning. For the last time, it's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me.
Staff highlight for January, Miss Cone. College, Connor State College, and Northeastern State. Why should kids go there? Connors is a great starter to get used to college because it's very small, like Shakota High School. And then they should transition to a 4-year school to further their degree. What does she like best about being a teacher? Seeing kids grow to their full potential. If she wasn't a teacher, what would she do? She would be a full-time event planner.
And then someone screams out, she's laughing up at us from hell. It's me, I am the problem. It's me, I am the problem. It's me, hi. Everybody agrees, everybody agrees. It's me.